I've got a bit of a baseball dilemma, and maybe you have as well. Hi, welcome back to St Blazy Model World. As it stands, I'm undecided. I don't really want to sacrifice what I've built so far, but I am thinking that a straight piece of box section at the end of this tail chasing part of the layout would give me a bit more scope in some areas. As regards my version of Nuki itself, well, there's still a lot of work to do. I've got to extend the station building. I shall probably buy another station building kit there and add it on to what exists at the moment. And of course I've got to install some buffering and various other features. That's it for now. Take care, stay safe, we'll see you soon.